The Ultimate HDB Spring Cleaning Guide, updated. Spring is just around the corner, and it's time to refresh your home by getting rid of the clutter and grime that has accumulated over the year. In this video, we will take you through some of the best tips and tricks to make your HDB spring cleaning efficient and effective. Step 1. Plan and prepare. The first step to a successful HDB spring cleaning is to plan and prepare. Make a checklist of all the areas that need cleaning, including windows, floors, carpets, and furniture. Take stock of your cleaning supplies and equipment, and ensure that everything is in good working condition. You can also consider hiring a professional cleaning service for a thorough and hassle-free spring cleaning. Step 2. Declutter and organize. The next step is to declutter and organize your living space. Go through your belongings and get rid of anything that is no longer needed. Sort your items into categories and organize them in a systematic manner. This will not only make your space look tidier, but also make it easier to clean. Step 3. Deep clean. Now it's time to start the deep cleaning process. Start from the top and work your way down, cleaning everything from light fixtures to baseboards. Use effective cleaning solutions for each surface, such as vinegar and baking soda for bathroom fixtures and furniture polish for wooden surfaces. Don't forget to clean and disinfect high-touch areas like doorknobs and light switches. Step 4. Special attention areas. Certain areas require special attention during spring cleaning, such as the kitchen and bathroom. Ensure that your appliances and kitchen surfaces are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. Similarly, scrub and disinfect your bathroom fixtures and tiles to remove any mold and mildew buildup. Conclusion: by following these tips, you can ensure that your home is sparkling clean and ready for the spring season. Remember, a little bit of planning and effort can go a long way in keeping your living space healthy, hygienic, and clutter-free. Thank you for watching.